coming up.
But Mom, my friends are coming over.
Well, the more the merrier. I can't wait to meet your friends. Text them and let them know. Thank you.
I was hoping we could have went out and have fun, but I guess we have to help ourselves, Mom.
Yeah, me too. But at least we get to make food.
Same here, I can't wait to eat it.
You know we're making the food. The food is for the party.
Oh, really?
Oh, you guys are here already? You guys look so lit today. No? Okay, just play the cool mom here, okay? Welcome! Hi guys, hi Joshelle's friends. Come on guys, we need to make the pancit, but we need ingredients first. So you need to solve 7x squared plus 14x minus 5.
7x squared plus 14x minus 5. First, we need to separate the c, which is negative 5, and pull out the common factor 7. Now you should have 7 parentheses x squared plus 2x parentheses minus 5. Then to make another c, do b over 2 squared, which is 1. So now the equation should be 7 parentheses x squared plus 2x plus 1 parentheses minus 5. Finally, you want to cancel the a and second c by multiplying 7 and 1 and doing inverse operation by subtracting 7 to the original c, which is negative 12. Factor parentheses x squared plus 2x, which is x plus 1, x plus 1. Then find the x with y equals 0, and you'll get the vertex negative 1, negative 12. Vámonos, guys. Now we're ready to start cooking.
But how are we gonna cook it?
There's a stove right there.
Oh.
What I think so far, I think they're doing great.
Oh my god, the light!
Oh my god! Oh. Now that you've finished preparing your ingredients, you did well, by the way. You guys need to use the stove, but before you use the stove, you need to solve this equation. 2x squared plus 12x plus 1.
Oh my. Another problem? Are you for real?
I'm doing this for your own good, Doshelle.
2x squared plus 12x plus 1. First, we need to separate the c, which is 1, and pull out the common factor 2. Now you should have 2 times x squared plus 6, space for the new c, parentheses, plus 1. Then you need to make another c, and to do that, you need 2 over 2 squared, which is 3 squared. So now the equation should be 2 times x squared plus 6x plus 9, parentheses 1. Finally, you need to cancel the a and second c by multiplying 2 and 9. And doing inverse operation by subtracting 18 to the original c, which is negative 17. Now factor x squared plus 6x, which is x plus 3 squared. Then you need to find the x with y equals 0. And the vertex will be negative 3, negative 17.
Fantastic. We have a stove. Kyla, wanna do the honors of cooking the one and only pancit?
Sure.
Twenty minutes later.
Yay! Hold up, guys. Hate to break it to you all, but you need to solve one more equation. 3x squared plus 30x plus 80. Good luck.
3x squared plus 30x plus 80. First, we need to separate the c, which is 80, and pull out the common factor 3. Now you should have 3 parentheses x squared plus 10x parentheses 80. Then to make another c, do b over 2 squared, which is 5 squared. So now the equation should be 3 parentheses x squared plus 10x plus 25 parentheses 80. Finally, you want to cancel the a and second c by multiplying 3 and 25 and doing inverse operation by subtracting 75 to the original c, which is 80. Factor x squared plus 10x, which is parentheses x plus 5, parentheses x plus 5. Then find the x with y equals 0 and you get the vertex negative 5, 5.
Careful, you guys. We have completed all the steps.
So can we eat?
No, duh. We finished all the equations, so go ahead.
What a blissful experience this was, you guys.
You should hug the shell.
You're welcome, Nancy.
Action.
Vámonos na.
Vamonos now, guys.
Vámonos.
What I think so far, I think they're doing great. I like to think so.
Professional.
Okay. 3, 2.
Ooh, get down.
Get down.